Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I'm going to be planning the week of July 12th in my memory planner, which is of course my Aura Estelle A5 wide cloud planner. And this week I'm going to be using this Beach Life kit from Peach Pom. It is this absolutely stunning 4-page foil, hollow foil kit. I just so love this. Really, really amazing beachy vibes. All 4 pages of the kit are foiled, which I super love. You do get some icons, some hexagons and other layering pieces, a little bit of deco there at the bottom. I have not used a Peach Pom kit in a little bit of time, so it will take me a minute to get used to the format here. Date covers, bottom washi, a weekly Monday through Sunday box, and then this functional page with all of these like half and quarter boxes and stuff. I'm definitely going to need some more functional items to pull into this spread, and also headers, since there are not headers in this kit. I don't remember if she sells headers separately, but if she does, I did not pick them up. But I do have some washi headers and some other things in my stash that match with it, so super not a big deal. And other fun functionals pulled out, especially leaning into that beachy theme there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out these pages and jump in. So I am jumping in with the date covers here. Sorry if this looks a little bit bright. I'm actually just noticing this as I'm doing the voiceover, that it's a little bit brighter than usual. Not sure what was going on with my camera. And also this kit is very pastel, which I do think makes that kind of worse. But anyway, I am starting with the date covers, and I'm using these date hearts from Sadie Stickers. And then I am going to mix things up a little bit this week with the date covers, and I'm going to try and do a little bit of like the foil deco scene, if you will, above the date covers. So I used a bunch of different foil beach themed stuff above and different stuff above each of the date covers. Like I did a little line divider with the sun and the palm tree above that one, like a bunch of different floral and shell deco, mostly from Sadie Stickers, honey inked, and I think I used a couple of pieces from Clever Gal Crafts as well. So I love the way this looks. It took forever. Oh my gosh, so long to get this up there, but it looks so cute. I have been wanting to do this for a while, and then as I was staring at this kit, I was just like, this is the perfect kit to do this with. I have so much beach stuff. Let's try it out. I saw this on Lauren from Plan Mosh Plans. She does this a lot. Sometimes she uses like floral deco mixed with foil deco, and sometimes she just does it with foil. I don't know if she's the originator of this or not. I know a bunch of other people do it. But yeah, I just have thought this was so pretty as I watched her channel. Sometimes she's one of my favorite planner YouTubers, and I just absolutely love the way this looks. So I really wanted to give it a try. And yeah, I'm so glad I did, even though it took forever. It's definitely not going to be an every week thing like bougie boxes, but it is really fun to mix it up and to like try other people's planning styles on, especially my memory planner, because this does not have to be function at all. It's purely decorative, and I have so much beach stuff, so it was nice to get to use a bunch of it. And yeah, a lot of this stuff is from honey inked from my big summer order there, and then some of the pieces actually just came in my most recent Sadie Stickers grab bag order, which I had just posted in my haul, my last video before this. But anyway, so I do think that came out really cute, even though it took forever. And then also I didn't have the headers for this kit. I ended up using one Simply Gilded washi header, and then I think 3 other headers that I just had in my sort of random collection of foil headers from various sheets. I think mostly from Sadie Stickers, although I don't know if all of them are from Sadie Stickers or not. Again, I have a lot of Sadie Stickers stuff from all of those grab bags that I do love to buy. But PSA for speaking of washi headers, the Simply Gilded pre-sale poll is currently running. Hopefully it's still running by the time I put this video up. Sorry if it's not, but I think it'll still be up by the time that I'm running this. So if you like to vote in those, please go vote. Especially if you plan on voting for the gold or rose gold set, then definitely please go vote, because there are like 5 different colorway sets to vote from, and or even more than that, maybe like 6 or 7, and 1 is gold and 1 is rose gold, and the rest are like some kind of silver foil. And I just would really love a non-silver washi to win, even though some of the silver colorways are really pretty. I just have so much silver washi, which I've mentioned a bunch of times, and I feel like she has been doing so much silver washi, and I really need especially gold, but also rose gold to a lesser extent, header washies, because I have almost no gold header washies, and I would really like some. So definitely, if you want to go vote, obviously vote for whatever you want, but especially if you want to vote for what I also want. So anyway, I put down the boxes, but I end up moving some of them with the undo because I just wasn't happy with like the placement of them. So I'm gonna end up moving that bathing suit box onto Sunday. And because I decided, and flipping the positioning of some of the boxes on the right side of the week. I just wasn't fully happy with the way that I had like kind of structured those around. And then I did leave myself a small journaling space with one of the half boxes this week. I didn't really need it, but I just was like struggling with what to do on the sidebar. The sidebar is like a constant struggle because really the only thing that I like love to have on there, that I always need to have on there, that's like not purely decorative, is the Monday through Sunday box where I record my meals, which seems so silly to do on like a weekly memory spread. And I literally have done it for so long, as like I think as long as I've had a memory planner, so I could tell you what I had for dinner like a year ago or more. But anyway, I just have to look it up. But yeah, and then the rest of this is like mostly decorative. Sometimes, some weeks I definitely like to have a journaling space, but a lot of times I don't even need it. Like especially, I don't know. This was like a very chill week, which was nice to have. It was a very relaxing week and the beach days were really fun and stuff, but like it was not anything major or special going on. But I don't like the way it looks to have like a full box size thing next to the full box. So I was like trying to figure out what to do to have the full box, the Monday through Sunday box on the bottom. Basically, it was a whole situation. Anyway, this whole spread I feel like took me so long. Maybe not the weekly part because I didn't really have that much going on. But it took me really long time to like figure out the sidebar, to figure out like the positioning of the boxes, and the stuff with all the deco on top obviously took forever. And then I decided to use, because they matched so nicely with the top and with the kit and everything, I decided I wanted to use these boxes here that I'm bringing in, which are a collab from Sadie Stickers and the Sticker Garden, who is a planner Instagram. She doesn't have a shop, but she does like draw and make her own stickers and for herself sometimes, and everything she does is so beautiful. Her Instagram's really awesome if you don't follow her, but she did a collab with Sadie Stickers, so they were being sold in the Sadie Sticker shop, and I did pick up some of them. They were in like a few hauls ago, and I couldn't wait to use them. So they're really, really pretty with the shell decorations, and I didn't want to cover up too much of the shell, so it took me a while to figure out how to use. I do end up using like 3 of them throughout the week, the same way I would do if there was like a scallop in the kit or something like that, or just try and like balance them throughout the week. And 3 or 4 stickers of that size is good. Especially this wasn't a busy week, so it was no problem to fit them in. Sometimes I have a harder time fitting in like the large boxes because I tend to mark like, I don't know. I tend to mark a lot of things per day. Usually I have more than 4 things to mark per day. I usually have like 6. Sometimes I even have more than that, and I like cut things out. Like if I have had a really, really busy day and I took like 3 baths during that week, I'm not putting a bath every night. Or like I read every day, and sometimes if I don't have a lot to go on, I'll mark that I read, or if I like finished a book, but then sometimes I just leave it out. So anyway, that's how my memory planning works. I have to have to go through and prioritize everything that I write down. And some weeks I feel really chatty about it and I write absolutely everything down, and some weeks I just do not. Anyway, on Monday morning I had something that was like that was going up publishing for work, so I did just mark that down since I didn't have a lot else going on. I also did my regular work, which I marked separately, and then I just kind of put it around the office in the afternoon while the baby was napping. I did some I recorded 2 voiceovers back to back, and I just like cleaned up the office. I think I had like haul stuff out or something. I don't remember. Anyway, just kind of chilled and did all of that kind of stuff. And then I did some reading as well. And then I decided that I was like trying to do the dividers as I went through, which I changed my mind about later, obviously, because why? Because that is not how I usually plan, and it was taking so long. But I did that for this one. I ended up laying down like a leaf divider. I was like toying with the idea of putting some washi in, which again, I changed my mind on. So sorry, it will pick up after this because I think this is the last time I did that during the week. Actually, maybe one more at the end of the week. But yeah, I ended up using this leaf from Honey Inked. A lot of these beach deco things are from Honey Inked. The leaves, the shells. I've had like a couple of shops that are like kind of new to me lately that have quickly become favorites, and that's definitely one of them. Honey Inked, White Deer Stationery, are kind of the two main ones that I'm thinking of. I've also got some other shops where I've just gotten my first order from, and I've already placed repeat orders, so that's all upcoming on a haul. But definitely, like, I would say White Deer Stationery, which I've already, since ordering the first time, I've already ordered from like 6 additional times, and that's some of these icons. And I actually think I am using them this week. No, I am using some of them this week, although a lot of these icons that are pink are from from Hello Petite paper. Anyway, on Tuesday, I just had some playtime with the baby. I decided I absolutely had to have cornbread, so I baked some cornbread, and I just was, I don't know, just feeling like blah. I talked about this on my last plan with me. I think I just was not in like a really good, I didn't feel like I was in like a good work home flow. I feel like I've gotten that back since then, and I'm happy about that because I'm feeling like a lot more productive, but I was still not feeling super productive these days. I did film and just did planner stuff on it while the baby was napping, and then we also started a sticker chart for the kids. I mean, I put the baby on it, but like mostly as just a joke, and so that the kids wouldn't think that we were leaving her out. She's so far to date, and this was like 2 weeks ago. Only earned one sticker, poor baby. But anyway, they have like a different thing that it's like, you know, a behavioral thing every day, and it's actually been really, really helpful. My son, it's more like medium. He's 3, but for the 5-year-old, it's been really great, and it's really helped with some attitude problems quite a bit. So we're feeling the sticker chart. And their prize, because they're so my children, so my children, is these like really fancy bath bombs that really fancy for a grown-up, really fancy for a kid, that have like these surprise toys inside. It's like the combination of two of their favorite things, surprise eggs and bath bombs, which they love. The kids love to watch unboxing videos on YouTube. So does their mom. And the kids love a luxurious bath with a bath bomb. So does their mom. So definitely my kids. But those are the prizes for them. And we have ones that have like these toy puppies and these toy dinosaurs inside. So super cool bath bombs. Anyway, on Thursday, I feel like I just totally skipped Wednesday, but literally we did nothing all day. I just like hung out, did more planner stuff, and we watched the Loki season finale. So you didn't miss anything on Wednesday, except for the Loki finale, which I'm guessing you watched or you don't care about. So anyway, either way, on Thursday, I had to do like a bunch of paperwork for something. I don't remember what, but I had to do, I think it was something with the house. I don't remember. I did a bunch of paperwork on Thursday, and then I went to Target, which I had not been to Target in super, super long time. It was like really fun, but I didn't even buy that much and I didn't buy like anything we needed, only stuff we didn't need. Then I picked up lunch at Honeygrow, and then that afternoon I just chilled out with some podcasts. We grilled a pizza that night, and we watched White Lotus on HBO, which is like one of the new like, I don't know, prestige HBO show. It's pretty good though. It's about like a fancy hotel in Hawaii, and there's been like a couple episodes so far. I like a once a week show. It makes you. I usually just prefer to binge, but it's nice sometimes to have a once a week show and have something to look forward to, especially if it's something my husband and I both enjoy. And then on Friday, I did some more errands and like house paperwork. Just like a bunch of different things going on. Took a walk with the baby in the stroller. I listened to like a bunch of podcasts, and then we tried to order Indian food on DoorDash, and it got canceled like an hour and a half after we ordered it. I was so annoyed. This is like the second or third time this has happened to us. I get really frustrated with DoorDash. But they like refunded it and gave us a credit and stuff, so whatever. And then we watched the Tomorrow War movie, which I think is on Amazon or Hulu. I don't know. It was not good. It was fine, but it was like not good. And it's with Chris Pratt. The one that used to be on Parks and Recs. And then on Saturday, we got Wawa in the morning, and then we just went to the beach, and we went to the beach at the beach. It was really, really fun. And then my mom bought like Rubik's Cubes toys for the kids. Like, I don't know why, because my kids are 5 and under. But anyway, the kids like were like, whatever, this spins, that's cool. And then I was like, okay, I need to remember how to solve these. I feel like I used to know a long time ago. I don't know. It's just like an algorithm. Like, it's basically you have to memorize a series of steps and then you can solve them. So then I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't remember it. So I watched a YouTube video and then I bought myself my own Rubik's Cube, and now I have been like just practicing solving it every day. And now I'm like super, super fast at it, because it's, once you memorize the steps, it's really easy to do. So anyway, that took over my Saturday and part of my Sunday as well. We also went to the beach on Sunday. We grilled lunch on Sunday and we just stayed at the beach, and we didn't drive back until Monday morning, which was really, it was fun, I guess. And actually I don't know, it like gave me a jump start on Monday morning, because after, I don't know why I did that, but then after that, the week after this, I ended up feeling like I got a lot done and I was super productive during the week. So that was really nice. And we just got sushi for dinner Sunday night. And like I said, we stayed over at the beach, and then we just had packed their camp stuff with them so that we could drop them right off at camp on Monday morning. So we drove right in from the beach, took them right to camp, and then I took the baby home, and then just had a productive day. So that was kind of jump started the week. But anyway, like I said, that was pretty much our week. A lot of fun beach time, a lot of relaxing time, and a lot of Rubik's Cube time on the weekend randomly, because I like could not let it go. Once the cube was in my hand, I could not let it go. I was like, I have to remember or relearn how to do this. And now, yeah, I haven't been doing it as much now that it's like 2 weeks later, and now that I can like solve it like really quickly in like a minute or two. Now that it's like just fully committed to memory, but that's taken some of the fun out of it. But I had a blast relearning how to do it. So I guess not what my mom was going for when she bought the toy for the kids, but you know, it did bring some enjoyment to me. Anyways, I'm just going in with like a little bit of last deco and just getting all this stuff, just a little bit more of that honey inked deco and little shells and little sparkles and all that kind of stuff. Just decorating around all of the spread. But like I said, that is pretty much everything for this week. And yeah. Okay, that is everything all finished up. I am so thrilled with how this turned out. I just think this looks so pretty with the top date covers and those Sadie stickers, Sticker Garden collab boxes. I am just really feeling this spread. It's so gorgeous. Anyway, let me show you what I have left from the kit, which was also absolutely beautiful. A little bit of deco and layering pieces. I didn't use the pink washi. I just used the pattern washi. A few strips that I cut off that one full box and 2 half boxes, but that is pretty much it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with everything going on in my planner. Bye.